Did you know? Just by adding one line in your configuration, you can add and remove someone as a staff member on your network, give them an Opera block, allow them into specified channels, give them access to restricted commands, and a whole bunch of other things without the need to add all those settings all over again for each new staff member. Keep watching to find out how. Today I want to show you how awesome and powerful security groups are. But first, what is a security group? A security group is something that gets assigned to a user which you can define based on a property of that user, like a country, account name, or certificate fingerprint. But you can also use things like their reputation score, their connect time, and whether they're connecting using a WebSocket. You can even base it on whether or not it belongs to another security group. There are also the same options, but in reverse, which begin with the word exclude. Using any one of these options, as mentioned in the documentation, will exclude people even if they match something else. Let's get into how to create and make use of security groups. So, for this tutorial, create a new file in your configuration directory called networkstaff.conf and then include it by adding an include line inside your UnrealIRCd.conf. Next, let's go inside our new file that we just created and type security-group, followed by the name you want to give this security group, which we will call Bob. Then, you can define Bob using their certificate fingerprints. This person uses 2 devices, so we'll use the fingerprints for those 2 devices. Next, you can now add an Opera block for Bob, which automatically applies their Opera when they connect, based on their security group. You can even make a set block about a specific security group. For example, let's auto-join Bob to some channels. You can even restrict commands so that only this security group can use it. But what if we want to add our new security groups to a security group of its own and have in one Opera block for a certain type of Opera? Instead of duplicating Opera blocks, we can just define their information and add them to the group in your chosen Opera block. Optionally, you can just throw in all your staff members' fingerprints or account names or whatever you like into your NetAdmin security group. Just remember to leave a note about whose information is whose. And if you put all your different staff type security groups into their own group called staff, for example, you can make your channel require that the user be staff to join this channel. But you can have a staff channel, Opera's channel, NetAdmin's channel, and you can set as many of these as you like. And with C rules, which lets you make special additional checks, you can create a security group based on pretty much whatever criteria you can think of. There are 6 types of built-in security groups that you can also use. The 2 main ones that apply to everyone are known users and unknown users. But there are also security groups that match secure users as well as web users. Thanks for listening. Leave a comment. Let us know how we did. You did great.